next we have Chetan Negi, who has called in from Amritsar with a query. Hi Chetan.
Hi, this is Chetan from Amritsar.
Hi, what's your question?
Actually, मैंने अभी कुछ म्यूचुअल फंड में इन्वेस्ट किया है. I have stakes in large cap, small cap, medium cap, and in gold.
Okay.
और अब मैं चाहता हूँ कि I will start a new SIP. Recently I go through ICICI Prudential Discovery Fund. So I want to know whether it's a good fund or should I invest in some other fund through SIP mode.
Okay, and what about the funds that you already have? Are they well-performing funds? Do you want to give us?
They are well-performing. I'm quite satisfied with them.
Okay, and so what is the reason you don't want to continue or increase your allocation to the existing SIPs and you want to look at a new fund?
I was thinking it will be great if, I were a little bit diversification. Instead of investing the same kind of fund, I should have some difference in my portfolio. So I thought of some other fund also.
Okay, Harsh, he's only 31 years old, so he has a risk profile can be very, very aggressive. What advice would you give him?
So I think clearly, Chetan, one of the good things you're doing is you're investing through SIPs. You have diversified through the sectors. I mean, you've got large cap, mid cap, small cap and gold, and you're investing systematically. Now just put one more step. Now whatever else you do, please don't get into sectoral funds. I don't think it makes any sense. And if you want to, and that about covers almost all the sectors that you have, it's much better rather than start a fifth SIP. If these four schemes, we don't know their names, if these four schemes are good, and I would advise that you increase your allocation to large cap. So whatever is your large cap scheme, if it is doing well, just add whatever additional SIP you want to do with that rather than look at another large cap. Incidentally, ICICI Pru Discovery is an excellent mid and small cap mutual fund. If it's already there, I think you can increase. If it is not there, then I won't really recommend adding it. Although it's a well-performing scheme, I think over-diversification is as bad as not having enough diversification.
All right, Harsh, valid advice coming in there, but also pull out the